All right, just here doing a little maintenance. I'm going to switch out this gate switch. As you can tell, it has seen better days, but getting it out before it causes us some grief. But when I got in here, I was missing a nut here. So this whole linkage arm was just sitting on there loose. Luckily I had one of these kicking around, and that'll get me by. But this is the real thing here. Just taking this gate switch out. I've replaced the actual contacts there recently, but this guy is in rough shape. And it's really not much to it, right? You just have this on there, and when the door closes, this wheel comes over, hits this thing up, which closes the gate switch. So I got some new ones here. I've already done that car, but let me get this new one on and I'll show you it put together. So again, there's the old one. Nice new one going in. And that's how it operates. See if we can't roll this guy in. It just comes in, and there we go. See, someone here has been spraying some grease on there for me. Sometimes you find supers that'll do lots of stuff. But just a quick look at the gate switch swap out. And I believe this is an ECI. And the cover here goes just like that, or actually just like that. Okay, so I turned the light on the phone. There's the gate switch put back together. Here's your little toggle switches to put it on test, open and close. Open doesn't work anymore. The next thing I'd like to do here is swap this guy out. As you can probably hear it when I closed it, it's on its way out. Look at the car top. It's an old horn elevator. I'm assuming they did a cab mod in '94, I think it says, or sorry, 2014. And Schindler did the mod with Thompson controllers and everything. It's in rough shape now, but got a bolt back on for now. That'll be good. New gate switch, and guess I'll just wipe it down a bit more and carry on to the next one. Have a good day.